Hey guys, it's me. So I'm doing the intro now to this video, so when I actually record the video later, I won't be looking as crusty as I did last time.
To hear more options, press 0. What are you talking about?
So this is going to be the part 2 to my like what's in my closet declutter video. So yeah, let's hop right onto it. Okay y'all, so we're gonna do my drawers. We're gonna go through this quicker because my last video I was talking normally, but like sometimes when that translates over to camera it sounds way too chill, like I'm about to take a nap. So I'm trying to put a little bit more energy in my voice. I mean, I can talk like I talk like this too, but my regular is like the slower kind of like this, where I'm gonna talk faster. So we're gonna go through this really quick. My top drawer is just like crop tops and biker shorts, but I don't think any of my biker shorts are in here. Actually, can do it here for right now. Alright, so we're gonna go through this quick. This, I really love this shirt. I got it from this place, but my boobs don't fit in it. I got this in a large. I'm pretty sure I got this in a large. Look how small those cups are. Like, hello, who's that supposed to fit? So I kind of hold on to this because like maybe if I lose like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, like maybe my boobs will shrink enough to get in here. Probably not. Like, look at that. What the heck? What? Come on. But for right now, I'm gonna keep it just because I really want to fit into this top, and I'm just trying. Stuff I know I'm gonna keep, I'm just gonna go past. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna throw away anything because I mostly wear tank tops. Oh, I really like this shirt though. This was a present. Yeah, everything in here I've already gone through. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. So let's go. Oh, also these ones. This is a Pull&Bear, if I can get it. I got this from ASOS. This is a Pull&Bear tank. I really like their tank tops. Like, it's a little tight. I'm gonna lie, it's a little tight on toes, but it's really nice. I really like those. Okay, we're gonna skip that drawer because I've been through that one already. This one. This is my Sack anime shirt. I love this shirt. Isn't it so cute? And then here's my, I have two shirts from these people, Zombie Makeout Clubs. I have this one and then a black one. What else is in here? Oh, actually, I really like this shirt, but I'm going to get rid of this one. Only because it fits me a little too tight. Like, I can't say I don't like tops that don't fit me tight, but I don't like t-shirts that, like grip too tight on my boobs and then like go down. Like, if it's gonna grip on my boobs, it needs to be a crop, and this one isn't, and it makes me uncomfortable. Like, not uncomfortable like ooh, but like it's uncomfortable to wear. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile. Giveaway pile. This is just a t-shirt. And then these are gonna be in the haul, so I'm not gonna talk about them too much, but all of these are going to be from ASOS, the ones I'm about to show you. This is from ASOS. This is from the brand Girl in Mind. It's a skirt. It's really pretty. I snatched it. This one is from Bershka, I think. Gray one. And then I got this one. This one is from Collusion. It looks black, but it's a dark brown. This one is from Forever 21. I got this ages ago, but I never hauled it. Got my booty butt hanging out the back, and that's okay with me. And and then just like random other stuff is in there. Like I said, this part 2 is gonna go quick. Oh god, quick, because I'm not really okay. And then this, excuse me, and this last one. Oh, my pants. These are the pants that go with the like trench in part 1. They're just like mint pants, or like, these aren't really mint. They're like a soft lime, I would say. These are from the ASOS brand. I got them from ASOS, obviously, and I got them in a size 34-32 because I really like the slouchy waist, like baggy jean. If I'm gonna wear jeans, I like baggy jeans, like 2 baggy jeans. Only thing about these is that the zipper doesn't work, like it keeps, like it's unhooked. Maybe I just have to fix it and it'll be good, but it shouldn't have been doing that when I worn these like once. But I love these pants. That's the thing about me, is that I love like unique pants. If I'm gonna have something that's a showstopper in an outfit, it's most likely going to be the pants. So a little foreshadow to some pants I'm about to buy. So I have those. I forgot how much these were, honestly, and I don't know if they're on the site, but if I still have the tab saved, I'll put the link, because I got these a while ago. What else is in here? Oh, I suggest shopping at New York & Company for their wide leg pants, because, okay, shop on a sale, because if it's not on the sale, just keep walking, cha. But if it's on a sale, go in there, because I've gotten like wide leg pants for like $10 and they make the butt look poppin'. These are the other pants I was talking about in part 1. The ones that are hanging up are pink, and then I have the same ones in like a sherbet color, sherbet orange. Got them for Dolls Kill. I don't suggest shopping on Dolls Kill any longer. But yeah, I have some Nike pants that I've never worn outside. I got them at Burlington. They're just like white not slacks, but like kind of slacks, I guess. And then yeah, all the rest are just kind of like thrifted slack pants, or I think this is also from New York & Company. They're just like wide leg flow pants. And then these, which are from Tiger Mist. For so long I wanted something from Tiger Mist, and now that I have one, like I've never worn these pants out. Like they're cute and whatever, but I really hyped myself up for that. So yeah, that was a really quick second part. And like, I knew it would be quicker than the first part, but I just didn't want to put them all together because it was already a long video. Girl, stop playing. And yeah, I'm gonna be, hold on. I'm gonna be doing a shoe collection video soon, just because like I want to do one again, and I have really cute shoes. Oh, my shoes are so cute. So that'll probably be the next fashion related, maybe not the next, because I do want to get my hauls done, but that'll be coming soon. Maybe it'll be my first like Sunday video, but who knows. So yeah, that was really quick, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next video. Oh, if you have any questions about where to get like cool, like unique bottoms, just let me know, because I'm starting to collect more. Alright, and I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna be having a couple hauls coming up. One that I've just been putting off. I have the stuff for it, I just haven't like sat down to record it. And then one I just ordered a couple pieces that I really want, and I don't want them to sell out, so I was like, bite the bullet, just go get it. So I did that. So yeah, I'm gonna have those hauls coming up, and then I want to start on like actual fashion videos, like lookbooks and stuff like that, and I'm excited for that. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.